Hello guys, this is our one more video of machine learning, and this today's video is about chapter 1 of example 2. Okay, this video is about that, and in the main topic is data, example 1 data. Okay, so now let's move to computer screen and let's run about one more example 2 of data. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, in today's this one our chapter 1 of example 1, and in today's video of machine learning I am telling you about the data. If you don't know what are data, so in today's video your whole concept will be clear about that. So let's get started and let's learn about what are data, and let's start. And this is our chapter 1 of example 1. Okay, let me rotate here, chapter 1 of example 1. So now let's get started. So now TensorFlow data collection. Let me come here. The data is used in example 1. It's a list of cars, objects like this. Here you can see it. This is just for one list here. It made it like the name is like Chevrolet, Chevrolet and Malibu, and miles per gallon like 18, cylinders 8, displacement 307, horsepower 130, weight and laps 3504, electration like 12, years like here in 1971, and Oregon is USA. Here's one more list by the name is Buick Skylark 320, and miles per gallon is 15, cylinders 8, displacement is also the 350, and horsepower 165, weight and laps 3693, and acceleration like 11.5, year is 1971, and Oregon is USA. What is that? This is one data is used in example 1. It's a list of cars objects. This is one list of car objects like this. Here you can see it. The data set is a JSON file stored in this link. Okay, I'm not opening this link. Okay, cleaning data. When you are preparing for machine learning, it is always important to there are 2 points that are very important to preparing for machine learning. Remove the data you don't need, clean the data from errors. Okay, how to remove the data? Let me tell you. A smart way to remove unnecessary data is to extract only the data you need. Okay, this can be done by iterating. This can be done by iterating, looping over your data with a map function. The function below takes an object and returns only x and y from the object's horsepower and miles per gallon properties. There is one syntax, it is showing you like horsepower and like object miles per gallon. Here you can see it. Remove arrays. Now let me tell you how to remove arrays. Most data sets contain some type of arrays. A smart way to remove arrays is to use a filter function to filter out the arrays. This one code below, it returns the false if one of the properties x or y, and it contains a null value. Okay, this is one example. Okay. Now fetching data. How to fetching the data? Let me tell you. When you have your map and filter functions ready, you can write a function to fetch the data. And this one syntax, like in this syntax, like there is one JavaScript syntax. Okay. Okay, this is not for running. This is just for example. This is just for syntax, and okay, this is not for running. Now let me tell you the plotting the data. Here is some code you can use to plot the data. Let me run this code. Copy it, go on your Visual Studio Code, search here, file, the new window, then search here, file, the new file, then search here, index.html. Then make this file on your documents. Okay. Then when you made this file, wrote here, doc type, then HTML, then head, then here you can write like body, then write here script, then paste this. Okay, this one JavaScript code. This is not for running. This is just for syntax, but I will be wrote here also. Okay, so your concept will be more concept will be more clear. Okay, so here you can see it in today's video of chapter 1 of example 1. It's by the name of data. Okay, so from now this is our chapter 1 of example 1 data. So from in the next video we learn about that. In the next video where this about the chapter 1 example 2 by the name of let me tell you by the name of model. Okay, so in the next video I'm telling you about the model. So please like this video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also so never miss our future latest videos. So now I'm using next class and next video I'm using like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.